Monday, if you were worried about your stocks, I'm not talking like if you're a 401k investor and you're diversified between the major asset classes, but I'm talking if you got too heavy into individual stocks, if you're a financial advisor working for your clients, or if you are an individual investor and you're worried, Monday was like a second chance to recalibrate, to review, and look at your portfolio, make sure you know what you have, maybe scale some winners back, move the money into something more stable. Maybe you're too heavy into stocks, not enough into cash and fixed income. Whatever your personal asset allocation should be, take advantage of it. Don't go back to the thought process, oh, everything's fine, I'll take a look at things later where the market's back up. Because that is just complacency. And I've seen more investors lose money because of complacency than anything else. That's my own experience, the value of my experience that I want to share with you.